Good morning, student. How are you all? I hope you all are fine at home, right? Yes, children. So, in the previous period of Wiley, we have completed the listening part 2. Am I right? Yes, children. So, today we are going to continue with the listening part 3. But before that, first we will see about the homework. Children, what was the homework which I gave you in the previous period? Yes, so question number 6 to 10 from listening part 2. This was the homework. And I think that I had explained also this paragraph. Okay, actually this is the part of the CD. You have to listen this conversation which that ma'am is going to tell, and then according to that we have complete the notes which is given in the textbook. Right? So I hope you have completed this all the homework, but still today we are going to check it. Okay. So first we will see about the conversation, or about the in the CD what is the audio script is there, right? See here, woman. Now I want to tell you about a new school music club. Okay, that she want to tell you about the new music club. It will begin on the 15th of September and there will be classes once a week until December the 18th. Okay, so there is a new music club is going to start, which is starting on 15th of September and till the music club is there up to the 18th of December. Okay, so let me check the day, because there is the sports club on Wednesday, so the music club will be on Thursday. So that woman, she is checking when the music club will be there, because it's only once in a week. So every Wednesday there is a sports club. So she decided to keep the music club on every Thursday. It will be after school. Your last lessons finish at 10 to 4 and you can have a break before the music club, because it starts at 20 past 4 and ends at 5 o'clock. So the music club is after the school. When this last period is over, then the children, they will take the 5 minutes break, and then the music club will start at 4:20. It will be up to till 5 o'clock. Here is some information about the teacher. His name is Mr. Taylor. I will spell that for you, Taylor. You don't know him because he is new. If your parents would like to phone him, he is happy for me to give you his phone number. It's 0779 386 521. Oh, you need to know where to go for the club. It's going to be in the library. Use the doors next to the art room, because the other doors won't be open then. So this was your audio script. Now children, we have to complete the notes. So here we will see first what are the questions. Okay, see here now. You will hear a teacher talking to a class about new music club, right? So the notes, actually the recording is about new music club, right? So what is the starting date for it? It's 15th of September. So it is already written. Now day club will meet. Now children, when will be the music club? It is only once in a week. So on what day it is? Listen carefully. What is the recording is there? Come on, who will tell me? What day it is? It is on Thursday, right? So write down Thursday. TH. I will also write with you. Just a minute. So here THURSDAY. Thursday. Okay. So now time. They want the time. So when it will start? From dash to 5 p.m. So when it will start, children? Listen the CD again one more time. It is? Yes, correct. It is 4:20. 4:20 to 5 p.m. Right? Then, teacher's name. New teacher is there for the music club. So the woman, she told the name. So what is the name of the teacher? She spells also. Yes, it's Mr. Taylor. Taylor. Am I right? It is the name of the teacher. Then, teacher's phone number. What is the phone number of the teacher? That is 077 938 6521. 6521. So this is the teacher's phone number. And where is the place? Yes, it is in the library. So write down library. Library. So it is in the library. So children, I hope you have completed the homework. Those who have not done it, they can copy this. But next time, please don't do this. You have to complete your homework on time. Right? Yes, children. So, shall we continue with the part 3, listening part 3? Very good. Shall I erase this? Okay. So children, this is your listening part 3. And what is the first one question? Now here, complete the sentences with the correct family members. This is your first question. We will see. I will zoom it just a minute. Yes. Complete the sentences with the correct family members. For example, my mother's brother is my uncle, isn't it? My mother's brother is my uncle. So like that we have to complete. Now my aunt's children are my, what we call them? My aunt's children. What do we call them, children? Who will tell me? My aunt's children are my, yes, correct, cousins. So write down the spelling with me only in neat and clean handwriting. Just a minute. COUSINS, cousins. Okay, second number. I am a girl. I am my parents' dash. I am a girl. So who am I of my parents? I am my parents' daughter. Simple. I am a girl. I am my parents' daughter. Write down. DAUGHTER. Daughter. Okay, there. My father's mother is my dash. Now my father, Papa. Okay, so my father's mother is my What do we call her? My father's mother is my grandmother, or we can say grandma, granny, whatever it may be. So write down grandmother. GRANDMOTHER. Got it? Fourth number, my parents' son is my. Very easy, children, it is. My parents' son is my. My parents, it means they are my father and mother. So, my parents' son. So, who is he for me? Simple, it is his brother. So, write down BROTHER. Brother. Understood? Last one. The man my sister is married to is her. See, the man my sister is married to is. Who is he for her? One more time. The man my sister is married to. So, who is that man of my sister's? Marriage is there between them. Yes. So, my sister's husband. So, here write down husband. HUSBAND. Yes, children. In this way, we have completed the first number question. I am using this E-tool because that is why my handwriting is not in a proper way. So, children, you will use your pencil, sharp it properly, write on the line in neat and clean handwriting. Don't do any spelling mistake. Okay? I hope you all are writing with me. Right? So, have you understood how we solved the first number question? Everyone completed writing work? Yes, very good. So, shall I rub this so that we can continue with the second number question? Yes. Now, children, here is the second number question, and what we have to do is, the question is, who is the girl talking about? Listen and choose the correct answer. It means, children, here is again audio script is there. You have to use your CD. Please listen it properly. So, what is the audio? What is the recording about? We'll see first. Woman. His name is Robert and he is almost 70 years old. He doesn't work now, but he was a dentist when he was younger. He and his wife had 3 children. The oldest is my mom, Sue. He has 6 grandchildren now, but I was the first. See now, quite interesting, isn't it? See what the woman is telling. His name is Robert and he is almost 70 years old. Means firstly he said the name of the man and his age, that is 70 years old. Then he doesn't work now, but he was a dentist when he was younger. So she was telling ki now he is not working, but when he was young, that time he was dentist. He and his wife had 3 children. So that dentist Robert and his wife had 3 children. The oldest is my mom. Okay, so among that 3 children, who is the oldest is that woman's mother. And what was the name? Sue, S-U-E. Then he has 6 grandchildren now, but he has 6 grandchildren now, but I was the first. So the Robert has 6 grandchildren now. And from that grandchildren, the woman he is talking, he was the first grandchild. So in this way, who is the girl talking about? Her father, her grandfather or her uncle? Who will tell me? Understand the conversation, children first. Very easy. The oldest is my mom, see, and he has 6 grandchildren now. It means the Robert has 6 grandchildren now. But I was the first. So among that 6 grandchildren, the woman who is talking, she was the first. It means the woman is talking about her father. No, I don't think so. Why? Because if she is talking about her father, then it may be daughter, not grandchildren. Right? So option B, her grandmother, is it correct? Sorry, her grandfather, is it correct? Yes. So the Robert has total 6 grandchildren, but I was the first. So she is the grandchild. It means she is talking about her grandfather. So option B is the correct answer. So we have to circle option B. Understood, children? In this way we have completed the second number also. Okay? Yes. Shall we continue? Children. Here, complete the sentences with words from the box. So what are the words which are given in the box? Sick, good, hard, slow, soft and old. These are the words. Now we have to fill in the blanks by using these words. But before that, first we will read the tip. What is given in the tip box? See here. It is useful to know opposite words as the words you hear may be different from the words in the question. It means, children, we have to use opposite words here. Okay. See here the example. The test was not very easy, was it? No, it was quite dash. So what is the opposite of easy? It is hard. Okay. So in this way we have to complete this. So everyone write with me. First one. How is Martina? Is she well? It is a question. How is Martina? Is she well? The answer is no. She has been dash for a few days. So what will be the word, children, from the box? No, she has been dash for a few days. She has been good for a few days. She had been slow. She has been soft. She has been old. She has been sick. Is she well? So what is the opposite of well? It is sick. So we have to write sick. So first we will cut it. And then here write down S-I-C-K. Just a minute. S-I-C-K. Second number. Is that a new bicycle? What is the question? Is that a new bicycle? Is that a new bicycle? Yes, I gave my dash one to my brother. Now children, what will be the answer? The question is that a new bicycle? What is the answer? Yes, I gave my dash one to my brother. Which one is the correct? Now sick is over. Which one is the correct? What is the opposite of new? Is that a new bicycle? Yes, the opposite of new is old. So first we'll cut sick, then we'll cut old and write down here. Yes, I gave my old one to my brother. Yes. Now the third number. The internet is really fast here. It is so dash at my house. What is the answer? The internet is really fast here. It means the speed of the internet is really fast. It is so dash at my house. So what is the opposite of fast? It is so slow at my house. So we have to cut this and write down SLOW. Written? Very good. Fourth number. The weather is so bad today. Yes, it's not very dash, is it? See children, the weather is so bad today. Yes, it is not very dash, is it? So what is the opposite of bad? Good. So the weather is so bad today. Yes, it is not very good, is it? So we have to write here good. For that, cut the good and write down GOOD. Good. Fifth number. This pillow is very hard. I like dash pillows. See now. This pillow is very hard. I like dash pillows. So what is the opposite of hard? This pillow is very hard. I like dash pillows. I like soft pillows. So cut soft and write down SOFT. Okay. So in this way we have completed question number 3 also. Right? Have you understood how to solve this question? Very good. Everyone written the answers? Shall I rough it? Now here question number 4, which is related to the grammar. Now what we have to do here is, it is actually a listening part. So the recording is there. But before listening the recording, we have to complete this task. Now how? See here the question what is given. Complete the conversation with words from the box. And then listen and check your answers. So first, without listening anything, we have to fill in the blanks by using the words which are given in the box. Right? So first we will fill in the blanks and then we will listen the recording and then we will check the answers. Okay. What are the words which are given in the box? Best, most, prefer, favorite, least. So first we will see, we will fill in the blanks. Lucia, what's your dash food? Example is given here children. So what's your favorite food? Then Mark, well, I love spicy food, the dash. What about you? What will be the word? I love spicy food the best. I love spicy food the most. Just check it which one is the correct. I love spicy food the prefer. And I love spicy food the least. Which one is the correct? Well, I love spicy food the most. Most is the correct. So first we'll cut it. and then write down most. Most. What about you? Then Lucia, she replied, I dash sweet food like cakes and biscuits. Which one is the correct? I dash sweet food like cakes and biscuits. What is the answer? I best sweet food, I least sweet food, or I prefer sweet food. So the prefer is the correct answer. So cut prefer and write down. Prefer. Prefer sweet food like cakes and biscuit. Then mark. But you can't eat that for dinner. Yes, if the sweet food is your favorite food, then but you can't eat that for dinner. Then Lucia said, well, fish is my dash favorite meal. Apart from that, I will eat anything. Fish is my dash favorite meal. What do you think? What will be the answer? See the sentence which is next to it. Apart from that, I will eat anything. So best or least? What will be the answer? What do you think? Well, fish is my dash favorite meal. Fish is my best favorite meal. We will write. Okay, so we'll cut best. And write. Really, fish is one of the thing I like least. But remaining word L-E-A-S-T. Okay, so in this way we have completed. Now I am going to read the recording, then we will cross check the answers. Everyone ready to cross check it? Yes, children. So here is girl and boy. The conversation is between them. I am reading it. You cross check the answers. Girl, what's your favorite food? Boy, well, I love spicy food the most. What about you? It means, children, the first one, most, is the correct answer. It is correct, right? I prefer sweet food like cake and biscuit. So second one is also correct. Prefer. There. But you can't eat that for dinner. Girl, well, fish is my least favorite meal. Apart from that, I will eat anything. Yes, children. So here is our mistake. So we have to cut it. Well, fish is my least favorite meal. So write down least here. L-E-A-S-T. Just one time. Most is the correct. Then prefer. P-R-E-F-E-R. Prefer. Well, fish is my least. L-E-A-S-T. Least. Really, fish is one of the things I like best. Okay, so this is the answer. Understood? If you want to one more time read it, this is the wait. This is the audio recording which is given. You can read it and cross check it. Otherwise you will use CD. It will be very easy for you. Understood? So have you understood how we have completed the question number 4? Very good. Shall I erase it? Yes. This was the audio script. Yes, children. Now we are going to continue with the question number 11 to 15, and for that I am going to read the audio script first. What is the question here? You will hear Louis is talking to his friend Charlotte about a computer game. Okay, it means here is the conversation about the two friends. They are talking about the computer game, and then we have to choose the correct answer. Here we will read what is the advice given. Yes, students. So when we are solving this question, that time we will read it. Okay. So first I am going to read the audio script. If you have CD, then you will listen from the CD. Right? See. Louis. Charlotte, I have got the computer game called Green Space. Louis. Louis, Charles, I have got the computer game called Green Space. Charlotte, where did you find about it, Louis? Louis said, I borrowed a magazine from a school friend and there was an ad for it. I asked my mom and she bought it for me from their website. Charlotte, I really like that game. It's not new, but it's my favorite game because it isn't easy. I play it a lot, which is strange because it's not funny at all. Who are you going to play it with? Louis, well, my brother's too busy in studying and my cousin Amy only likes board games. But my granddad has lots of time, so I want to play with him. How long do you usually play for it? Charlotte, when I was sick last Wednesday, I played for an hour. I played for an hour and a half. Then on Friday, an hour. And on Saturday, 3/4 of an hour. Which part do you like best? Louis, crossing the river is really good. But the bit I enjoy most is finding something to eat. The part about building a hut's my least favorite. Okay, so two friends are talking here. They are discussing about the video game and they are asking to each other which is the best part, from where did you get this game, so to whom with you are playing and all. Okay, so this was the recording, this was the conversation. Now we are going to solve this question. So the first one, where did Louis first find out about the game? Where did Louis first find out about the game? Okay, and the options are from a game website, from a school friend, or from a magazine advertisement. And see here the advice is given. Read the question carefully. The word first is very important. See. Read the question carefully. So the first word is very important. See here. Where did Louis first find out about the game? Where? See here. Option A, option B, or option C, which is the correct answer for it? It is from the magazine advertisement. See, I borrowed a magazine from a school friend and there was an ad for it. It means option C is the correct. So, we have to tick it. 12 number. Charlotte likes the game because it's funny, it's hard or it's new. What is the advice for this? Sometimes the question and the recording use words that are opposites. What are the opposite of funny, hard and new? See here now. Charlotte likes the game because it's funny, hard or new. Why the Charlotte likes the game? What is given here? See. I really like that game. It's not new, but it's my favorite game because it is not easy. I play it a lot, which is strange because it's not funny at all. Who are you going to play with it? It means, which one is the correct option? Charlotte likes the game because it was not funny, it was not easy, it was not new. It means it's a hard game. So option B is the correct. It was the hard. So it's hard. Because of this, the Charlotte likes the game. Understood? Yes. Number 13. Who does Louis want to play the game with? His brother, his granddad or his cousin? Who does Louis want to play the game with? See here. Well, my brother is too busy in studying and my cousin Amy only likes board games. But my granddad has lots of time, so I want to play with him. How long do you usually play it for? So what is the correct answer, children? His brother is busy in studying. His cousin likes only board games. So his granddad is the person to whom Louis is going to play the game. So option B is the correct answer. Okay, 14 number. How long did Charlotte play the game for last Saturday? Now here we'll see the advice what is given. There are further ways to say these times. Example, 1 hour is same as saying 60 minutes. Now see here the options. 45 minutes, 1 hour and 30 minutes. So first we will read it. When I was sick last Wednesday, I played for an hour and a half. Then on Friday, an hour. And on Saturday, 3/4 of an hour. So on Saturday, 3/4 of an hour. Now see the option. 45 minutes, 1 hour and 30 minutes. Children, 3/4. Now you know the time. There are many ways to say the time. So children, in the recording the word is used 3/4. Now what is meant by quarter? Quarter means 15 minutes. According to the watch, quarter means 15 minutes. So the 3/4, it means 15 plus 15 plus 15. So total 45 minutes. So here option A is the correct answer. How long did Charlotte play the game for last Saturday? 45 minutes. And last one, which part of the game does Louis like the best? See, first we'll read the advice, what is given. Listen for words on the recording that means the same as important words in the question. Example like best. So here, which part of the game does Louis like best? See here. Which part do you like best? Louis, crossing the river is really good, but the bit I enjoy most is finding something to eat. The part about building a hut's my least favorite. Okay, see, finding food, building a hut, or crossing the river. These are the options. Now, crossing the river is really good, but the bit I enjoy most is finding something to eat, and the part about building a hut are least favorite. So, finding food, building a hut, crossing the river. Crossing the river, that Louis is saying it is okay. Building a hut, he doesn't like, least favorite. So the option A is the correct, which is finding food is the correct answer. So we have to tick at the option A. Understood, children? Yes. So till here we have completed our listening part 3. Now children, I am giving you the homework which is orally. Okay, so you have to listen to me carefully and then according to you have to complete the homework. Your homework is related to the question number 2. Now what you have to do is you have to draw a family tree. Okay, it is related to question number 1 also. You have to identify the family members here, no? So for that you have to draw a family tree and there you will write the names of your family members and the relationship with it. If you want to include your aunts, uncles, grandparents, cousins, you can do that. Okay, so the idea of the family tree you can get from the internet, Google. Just you will take the idea and you have to draw the family tree and you have to staple that page on this page number at the listening part 3. Understood? What was your homework, children? Yes, you have to draw the family tree and you have to staple that tree to this listening part 3 page. Got it? So this was your homework. You have to complete it on time. Till then, stay home, stay safe, take care of yourself and your family. Bye bye. Have a good day.